In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the issue where VRChat keeps crashing or freezing on your computer. So let's get straight into it, and the first thing you need to do is head over to the Steam application. From the top navigation, select Library and then just scroll down and find VRChat in this list. Then we're going to right click on VRChat, come down to Properties. From the left hand side, select Installed Files and then press Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will just make sure none of your files are corrupted or damaged. And then once we've done this, we can close out of this window and then you can right click on VRChat and select Play. Once you have VRChat running, you need to press the escape key to bring up the settings. Then click on this full screen mode to expand the settings menu. Click on settings from the list at the bottom. Then scroll all the way down to debug at the bottom. Now inside of this debug window, you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom and we're going to select clear texture cache. Then go ahead and press yes. Then select clear local avatar data and press yes. And finally select clear content cache and once again press yes. Once you've selected all of these, we then need to scroll up to the top and select clear local profile data. As you can see, this will log you out, so just go ahead and press yes again. And then you'll need to close the VRChat client and you can try relaunching it to see if that's now solved the issue. Now if you have tried that and it's still not working, the next thing you need to do is head over to your start menu and search for Windows Defender. Click on Windows Defender Firewall and then from the left hand side select allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Change Settings button at the top and then scroll down this list and make sure you have VRChat inside of here. As you can see, I have VRChat listed at the bottom here and you just need to make sure both private and public are ticked. If you can't see VRChat in this list, that's likely going to be your issue, so you'll need to add it by selecting Allow Another App. Click on Browse and then just locate the VRChat file. This is usually saved in your C drive, inside of Program Files x86, inside of the Steam folder. Scroll down to Steam Apps. Click on Common and then scroll down and select VRChat and then you can just double click on this vrchat.exe and it's going to add it to this list. And finally we can just press add. And then like I said, once you have VRChat inside of here, just make sure private and public are ticked. Then you can press OK to save all of these changes. And if you have any third-party antivirus software installed on your computer, like you can see here I have Avast installed in mine, then you'll also need to make sure this is temporarily disabled just to rule out any issues with your antivirus blocking the software. Now finally, once we've done this, we're going to head back over to the start menu, search for settings and then click on the settings window. From the left hand side, scroll down to Windows Update and press this check for updates button here just to ensure we are running the latest version of Windows. This is super important as sometimes outdated software can cause compatibility issues with our other apps and games. So once you've ensured you're fully up to date here, we can finally relaunch VRChat and check to see if that's now working. And that's it guys. If you still are experiencing an issue, then please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If you did find this video helpful, then please drop a like and subscribe.